Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm happy to announce the winners of the Eachine giveaway that was announced 10 days ago. I know that some of you had issues with this giveaway because Facebook was involved, however that was Eachine's request and it was either that or nothing, so I decided to post this giveaway on my YouTube channel. And you should not worry because I'm going to bring you more exciting giveaways in the near future that will require you only to be subscribed to my channel and to leave a comment on the giveaway video. Okay, so now it's time to select the winners. Just as a reminder, the first prize is the Eachine VRD3 FPV goggles, the second prize is the Eachine E016H micro brushed quadcopter, and the third prize is the Eachine TXO6 all-in-one camera. So now let's draw the winners. So these are the winners. I'm just going to blur the emails in order to protect your privacy. So I would like to congratulate Andrea Strano from Italy for winning the Eachine VRD3 goggles, Joachim Berlioz from France for winning the Eachine E016H micro brushed quadcopter, and Joe Krupi from Australia who won the Eachine TXO6 all-in-one camera. So all you need to do is just to contact me via the mail that you used to register to the competition, and I'm going to take care of the rest, and the prizes are going to be sent directly from Eachine. I would like to thank Eachine for sponsoring this giveaway, and of course all of my subscribers for your continued support. See you on my next videos, and goodbye.